The ovule of angiosperm is equivalent to megasporangium, megaspore, megasporophyll and megaspore mother cell. You know, the female reproductive structure of the plant is the gynoecium, right, and the carpel. Gynoecium consists of carpels, and carpel is actually the megasporophyll, and it consists of the ovule and ovary, style and stigma, and inside the ovary there is ovule, and that ovule represent the megasporangium structure. So, ovule is the megasporangium. So, ovule is equivalent to megasporangium. So, answer will be A, megasporangium, not megaspore. Hard carpel would have been there, it would have been megasporophyll, and inside the megasporangium there will be megaspore mother cell. So, answer is A, ovule of angiosperm is equivalent to the megasporangium. Which pair does not show vegetative propagation in plants? So, here Dahlia fasciculated root has been given, Saccharomyces budding have been given, Bryophyllum foliar buds have been given, ginger rhizome has been given. About ginger rhizome we have already discussed. So, you see this is Dahlia fasciculated root, this is yeast budding, this is actually Bryophyllum foliar bud, and this is ginger actually rhizome. So, all of them they are participating in the process of vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Our question is, which pair does not show vegetative propagation in plant? So, answer will be here the Saccharomyces budding, B. Welcome students to CHT OSSTET examination discussion on some of the questions, important questions on botany. So, let us see the question and we will discuss the questions and their answers. Let us first find out the answers. I will ask you, I will show you the questions and we will see the what will be the possible answer, then I will discuss with you the possible answer. So, let us start. The first question relates to taxonomy. Taxonomy विषय question. Floral formula like this, K5, C5, A infinity number, G5 belong to the family. 4 options are there: Malvaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Fabaceae and Solanaceae. Tell me which one will be the answer. Our answer kota. Tell me the answer, anyone. Any answer? Puja Sanapati. Which one the answer? A. Very good. So, answer is A. So, calyx is gamosepalous, corolla, gamopetalous, infinite number of stamens, and G5 belong to Malvaceae. All right. Others, those who have answered it, I have already told you the answer. So, A is the answer. Question number, we will go to the next question. Next question relates to photosynthesis. Cyclic photophosphorylation releases, you know, cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So, 4 options are there: ATP and NADPH2, B ATP, NADPH2 and oxygen, ATP only, NADPH2 only. What can be the answer? Yes, Puja Sanapati A, Sudhir B, Sujata D. All right, we will discuss the answer shortly after. All right, you keep your answer, we will discuss it shortly after. Let us go to the third question. It relates to vegetative propagation. In Amorphophallus, vegetative propagation is carried out through bulbs, corms, offset, rhizome. What will be the answer? So, someone has given the answer. Question number 3. No answer yet. Anyone has given the answer? Which one will be the answer? Yes. Dinabandhu Mandal C and Puja Senapati B. All right, we will discuss which one is the answer shortly after. The correct formula of chlorophyll B, you know chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Options are A C55 O4 N3 Mg, B C55 H72 O6 N4 Mg, C55 H70 O6 N6 Ng, that is the C, option C. Option D C55 H70 O6 N4 Mg. So, which one will be the answer? So, Puja Senapati again D, Dinabandhu Mandal D. Two answers. Others should try to give the answer. Participate and give the answer. Yes, very good. Sujata D. Very good. Any answer? All right, we will discuss the answer shortly after. Let us move to the next question. The sequence of electron transfer again relates to the cyclic photophosphorylation. The sequence of electron transfer during cyclic photophosphorylation is option A is P700 to cytochrome to ferredoxin D to P700, P700 to ferredoxin to cytochrome to P700, P700 to NADP to cytochrome to P700, P700 to cytochrome to NADP to P700. Which one will be the answer? Any answer till now? Question number 5. Yes, very good. Some answers have come. Sujata A, then Dinabandhu again A, Puja Senapati B. All right, we will see which one will be the answer shortly after. Only 2, 3. I expect more answers from all of you, those who have participated in the live class. Try to give the answer. Yes, one Sushrita B. Very good. Participate, try to participate. We will discuss the answer shortly after. What will be the answer? Then let us move to the next question. Question number 6. The cross implemented to ascertain whether a plant is homozygous or heterozygous is reciprocal cross, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross and test cross. It relates to Mendel's genetics. So, which one will be the answer? Any answer till now? All students must try to give the answer. All students. All must try to give the answer. So, Sujata D, Puja Senapati D, Dinabandhu D. Another new addition, very good. Shwetalina Nanda D. All right, very good. So, we will see, we will discuss the answers. At least more number, Sushrita D. So, more number of students they are participating. Try to participate, nothing to worry. We will discuss the correct answer and you can rectify your mistake. So, we will see how many of you are giving correct answer. You can also test yourself how many correct answer you are able to give, right. So, let us try the next question. Let us see the next question. Question number 7. The initial acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 plant is ribulose 5-phosphate. Second option ribulose 1,5 biphosphate, C phosphoglyceric acid and phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So, yes, answers come, answers we have already received. Dinabandhu Mandal B, very good. Sujata B, Tamanna, Sweet Tamanna Patra B, then Bina Pradhan B. So, the participants are Shwetalina also, Priyanka also, new addition, very good. Sushrita also, so many participants. So, like that all of you should participate in giving the answer. We will see, we will discuss the, which one will be the answer. All right, You mark your answer, we will discuss the correct answer. Then next question relates to embryology. We have selected the questions from different branches of botany, starting from taxonomy to physiology to embryology to genetics. So, some specific questions have been taken. So, the ovule of angiosperm is equivalent to megasporangium, megaspore, megasporophyll and megaspore mother cell. Option 1 is megasporangium, B is megaspore, C is megasporophyll, D is megaspore mother cell. So, any answer? Priyanka Mahapatra again is A, Sujata A, Dinabandhu Mandal A, then Shwetalin Nanda A. Very good, 4 A answers. You have many of you have given A. Any other? Any other addition? Yes, Bina Pradhan A. Very good. So, we will discuss the answer shortly after. Next is, which pair does not show vegetative propagation in plants? You know vegetative propagation, when the plants reproduce or propagate by the vegetative method. So, propagate by vegetative method. So, some of the examples have been given. Which pair does not show vegetative propagation in plants? Dahlia fasciculated root, B is Saccharomyces budding, C is Bryophyllum foliar buds, D ginger rhizome. So, try this answer. Puja Senapati B, Dinabandhu Mandal B, Shwetalin Nanda B, then Priyanka Mahapatra C, Sweet Tamanna Patra D. Any other? Yes, Susrita B. Very good. Sujata D. So many B, D. So, we will see. So, options are there, you have given an answer, that is very good, and we will discuss the answer shortly after. Question number 10. The first reaction of photosynthesis. Many of these questions are related to photosynthesis. Of course, the first reaction of photosynthesis is photolysis of water, NADPH formation, ATP formation, excitation of chlorophyll molecule. Which one is the first reaction of photosynthesis? Yes, some answers have come already. So, Priyanka Mahapatra D, then Shwetalin Nanda A, Sweet Tamanna Patra D. Yes, any other answer? Some Mahapatra has come. D. Which Mahapatra? Only Mahapatra. New addition. Priyanka Mahapatra D, Shwetalin Nanda A, Sweet Tamanna Patra D, Sujata D. Any addition? Any more participant in giving the answer? All of you should participate and give the answer. Nothing to fear, nothing to be reluctant in giving the answer. So many students have participated, and I expect more of answer. You give the answer, if at all anything wrong, then it will be corrected. I mean, if it is correct, very good. You should be inspired, that you should be encouraged, you should be happy that you have given a correct answer. You have given a correct answer, that is very good. So, that you should participate more and more in these type of live classes. I hope when next classes will be held like live classes, more and more students will participate. So, now we have 10 questions we took, and you have participated in giving the answers. Let us see what will be the correct answer for each of these questions. What are the correct answers? Let us come to the first question. Floral formula K5, C5, these are all the united condition K5, C5, A infinity, G5 belong to the family. So, gamosepalous condition and 5 sepals, gamopetalous condition, 5 petals. So, infinity number of stamens and pentacarpellary. So, G5, so syncarpous condition belongs to the family. Naturally, the answer is A. Malvesi. Those who have given correct answer, you should be happy that Malvesi is the correct answer. Puja Sanapati. So, only correct answer given for this answer is Puja Sanapati. Very good, congratulations, Puja Sanapati. Then next we will come cyclic photophosphorylation releases ATP, NADPH2, ATP, NADPH2 and oxygen, ATP only, NADPH2 only. This is a question many a time asked in different examination. So, the answer is ATP only. If you see cyclic photophosphorylation, you see cyclic photophosphorylation. So, NADPH2 always you remember it is produced only in when there is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So, ATP formation. So, ATP formation in cyclic photophosphorylation. So, if you go back to the answer, this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer. So, that is the trick that NADPH2 will never be there. So, answer is ATP. So, C is the correct answer. How many of you have given correct answer? Let us find out. Dinabandhu has given correct answer. Sweet Tamanna has given correct answer. Very good. So, C is the correct answer. So, Dinabandhu and Sweet Tamanna. Very good. So, you see this one, the cycle. Then in Amorphophallus, third question, in Amorphophallus vegetative propagation is carried out. You know, see different modified stems, different types of modified stems and their role in vegetative propagation. You see, this is the modified stems, particularly this is Amorphophallus, this is potato tuber, this is bulb of onion, this is rhizome. So, if you see rhizome, corn, bulb and tuber, and all of them they are utilized in the process of vegetative propagation. Our question is in Amorphophallus. So, Amorphophallus the vegetative propagation is carried out by corm. So, Amorphophallus the modified stem is a corm. So, it is a type of modified stem and it is carried out by corms. B is the correct answer. So, B is the correct answer. How many of you have given correct answer? Let us find out. Sushrita. So, Sushrita has given the correct answer. Others, I do not know. So, what I found from the score that Sushrita has given the correct. Anybody else has given the correct answer? Yes? No. So, Sushrita has given the correct answer. Very good. Congratulations. And all these, all these you see, onion it would have been bulb, right? So, pistia is offset. So, rhizome. So, ginger would have been the rhizome. So, because Amorphophallus, here the question is Amorphophallus, so answer is corm. Then the correct formula for chlorophyll B, you know chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, it is a magnesium porphyrin structure. You see this is the chlorophyll A structure, this is the chlorophyll B structure. If you see the difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A is blue green in color, chlorophyll B always is yellow green in color. The chemical formula of chlorophyll A is C55H72O5N4Mg. So, all these things will be there, C50, C will be there, H will be there, O will be there, N will be there and Mg will be there. So, C55H72O5N4Mg and chlorophyll B is C55H70O6N4Mg. Chlorophyll A possesses a methyl group, whereas chlorophyll B possesses an aldehyde group CH2. It is called an essential pigment as it can absorb and convert light energy into chemical energy. It is called an accessory pigment. Chlorophyll B most often is the accessory pigment and it absorbs energy of different wavelengths and transfer it by resonance to chlorophyll A. So, if these are the differences. So, our question relate to the formula. So, if you see the formula, naturally our choice, the correct choice will be the C55H70O6N4Mg. So, this one is the correct formula. If chlorophyll A would have been there, then the answer would have been other. So, this cannot be, and here also O and N cannot be the same. So, this will relate to chlorophyll A and so chlorophyll B our question is. So, the answer will be D. So, answer is D. Let us find out how many of you have given the correct answer. How many? Dinabandhu has given the correct answer, Sujata has given the correct answer, So, Dinabandhu and Sujata, they have given the correct answer. You can also see your score, all of you, how many of you have given the correct score, correct answer. Let us come to the next question. The sequence of electron transfer again during cyclic photophosphorylation. You see cyclic photophosphorylation. So, P700, then pyridoxine, plastoquinone, plastocyanine and back to P700. So, this is the sequence. So, if you go back P700 cytochromes, pyridoxine D and P700, P700 pyridoxine cytochromes. So, P700 here cytochrome has been given first and pyridoxine have been given second, but after that, whereas here pyridoxine is first and then cytochromes. Then P700 NADP cytochrome and P700, always I have told you NADP will not come, it will come only in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So, these two cannot be the answer. Answer will be either from A and B, because here pyridoxine is later and cytochrome is first. So, this cannot be the answer. So, correct answer will be B, P700 pyridoxine, cytochrome and P700. If you see if you remember or see the cyclic photophosphorylation and the flow of electron during cyclic photophosphorylation. So, let us find out how many of you have given the correct answer. So, 3, very good, Shwetalina, Sushrita and Pooja, very good. So, 3 correct answer we have got. So, B is the correct answer. Next question we will go. Let us move to the next question. The cross implemented to ascertain whether a plant is homozygous or heterozygous, among these reciprocal cross is there, monohybrid cross is there, dihybrid cross is there and test cross is there. So, naturally, the answer here among the options will be answer D or test cross. If you see the test cross, if you remember the test cross, so it is always test cross and back cross. The difference I am showing you. Test cross is the breeding of dominant phenotype, which is recessive with its recessive phenotype. Back cross is the breeding of F1 hybrid with any one of the parent. With one of the parent, all test crosses are back crosses. Back cross of F1 hybrid with the recessive phenotype can be considered as a test cross. So, the F1 hybrid is crossed with recessive genotype in test cross. F1 hybrid is crossed with either homozygous dominant or heterozygous genotype in back cross. Test cross identifies the zygosity of the dominant phenotype. Back cross recovers the elite genotype. So, these are the basic differences between test cross and the back cross. So, naturally, here among the options, the answer will be test cross, cannot be reciprocal cross, cannot be monohybrid cross, cannot be dihybrid cross. So, answer is D, that is test cross. So, how many of you have given the correct answer? Let us find out. So, again 3 have given the correct answer. So, Shwetalina, Sushri and Pooja. So, all of them they have given the correct answer. So, answer will be D, that is test cross. You can yourself calculate out of 10 how many correct answer you have given, so that you can calculate your percentage of success. So, this is to test yourself the percentage of success. Then the initial acceptor, question number 7, the initial acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 plant is ribulose 5-phosphate, ribulose 1,5-diphosphate, phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. This is C3 cycle. If it would have been C4 cycle, the answer would have been different. This is C3 cycle or Calvin cycle of photosynthesis, you know. So, here is carbon dioxide, the enzyme is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, Rubisco enzyme, and ribulose 1,5-biphosphate is the acceptor, and first product is 3-phosphoglyceric acid, then 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, different pentose phosphates, and again back to ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. So, naturally, this accept the carbon dioxide. So, the carbon dioxide acceptor in initial acceptor of carbon dioxide. So, answer will be B, that is ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. So, almost all the participants, those who are the participants, they have given correct answer, very good. So, here the answer is B, not A. So, answer is B, that is ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. Then next, the ovule of angiosperm is equivalent to megasporangium, megaspore, megasporophyll and megaspore mother cell. You know, the female reproductive structure of the plant is the gynoecium, right, and the carpel. Gynoecium consists of carpels, and carpel is actually the megasporophyll, and it consists of the ovule and ovary, style and stigma, and inside the ovary there is ovule, and that ovule represent the megasporangium structure. So, ovule is the megasporangium. So, ovule is equivalent to megasporangium. So, answer will be A, megasporangium, not megaspore. Hard carpel would have been there, it would have been megasporophyll, and inside the megasporangium there will be megaspore mother cell. So, answer is A, ovule of angiosperm is equivalent to the megasporangium. Answer is A. How many of you? So, 5 of you have given the correct answer. Dinabandhu has given correct answer, Priyanka has given correct answer, Meena has given correct answer, Shwetalina has given correct answer, and Pooja has given correct answer. Very good. So, I found out that 5 of you have given correct answer. So, megasporangium is the correct answer. So, this is the ovule structure, orthotopous ovule, and this represents the megasporangium. Next question, which pair does not show vegetative propagation in plants? So, here Dahlia fasciculated root has been given, Saccharomyces budding have been given, Bryophyllum foliar buds have been given, ginger rhizome has been given. About ginger rhizome we have already discussed. So, you see this is Dahlia fasciculated root, this is yeast budding, this is actually Bryophyllum foliar bud, and this is ginger actually rhizome. So, all of them they are participating in the process of vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Our question is, which pair does not show vegetative propagation in plant? So, answer will be here the Saccharomyces budding, B. And let me find out how many of you have given correct answer. 3 of you have given correct answer, Dinabandhu, Shwetalina, Sushrita. So, Sushrita. So, 3 correct answer we have got. So, Saccharomyces budding. So, this is a plant, this is a plant, this is a plant. So, but this one is a fungus. So, though it is a process of vegetative reproduction, but this is a fungus. Here the question is which does not show the vegetative propagation in plants. So, this will be the answer, exception. So, B will be the answer. So, answer is B, correct answer is B. Let us move the next question. I think this is the last question which we are discussing today. The first reaction of photosynthesis is photolysis of water, NADPH formation, ATP formation, excitation of chlorophyll. You know, during photosynthesis light energy is accepted by the chlorophyll molecule and chlorophyll molecule get excited. Then the question will come regarding photolysis of water, then after the electron transfer ATP formation will be there, NADPH formation will be there. So, naturally the first reaction, because its first reaction is there, the first reaction will be the excitation of chlorophyll molecule. So, first one is the answer is D, that is excitation of the chlorophyll molecule. So, 5 correct answer we have got, Shwetalina, Sujata, Sweet Tamanna, Priyanka and Sushrita. So, 5 of you have given correct answer. So, I found Shwetalina, then Dinabandhu, many of you, Pooja. So, they have participated in many of the answers, all of you have tried to participate. So, try to participate when such type of live classes are going on. So, participate in the live classes and try to give the answer, do not hesitate to give the answer, it may be wrong or it may be right. So, if at all it is right, then very good, you can assess yourself, if at all wrong, then you can rectify your mistake. So, I hope in the next subsequent classes more and more students will participate in such live classes. So, maximum correct answers have been given by Dinabandhu. Congratulations Dinabandhu. So, try to keep it up, try to participate so that you can do better in such examinations. Then Sujata, Priyanka, very good. Thank you. Do you have any doubt? You can ask. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar.
सर ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 रे जो रेसिप्रोकाल जो मेंडलिज्म रे
हाँ
सेटा सर डाउट थले टी बुझांतु
हाँ कुह कौन डाउट
क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 सर
yes we will go to question number 6
सर
see we have got 4 answers definitely when you
Yes,
go
sir.
yes when you find out when
सर
you go,
ऑप्शन नंबर ए रेसिप्रोकाल क्रॉस
there is no such reciprocal cross
बुझिबार थिला
there is no such reciprocal cross it has given just an option so mendelism no such reciprocal cross is there monohybrid cross is there dihybrid cross is there they have given an option to put you in confusion right so monohybrid cross
Yes, sir.
dihybrid cross and test cross so answer will be test cross your doubt is clear
थैंक यू सर
very good
यस सर
any other very good all of you have participated I welcome you once again whenever next such classes will come please participate and try to give the answer so that your doubt will be clear and you can assess yourself thank you all